What's going on everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're taking the coupe for a quick spin to go and see F and Lou again because I forgot his tools that I promised him from Silverline Tools. For those that don't know, I'm the brand ambassador for Silverline Tools. Very happy about that. So I could not complain in any way, shape or form about the amount of support that they've given me, the tools that they've given me. I'm learning so much in being a part of their business, if you like. And one of the photo shoots that I recently went to, there was loads of spare tools and I had the majority of them already, but they said, you know, who wants these? So I said, well, can I give them to people? And they said, well, yeah, go ahead. And I think as the brand ambassador, what better to do than to give them to other car content creators to promote the brand even further. So that's the premise of today. We're going to go and see F and Lou again because I forgot to give him the bloody tools when I went down to do the sim racing with him. Here we are. So we're just going to grab a few bits. I think he wanted that spanner set, socket set, and did you say a wash mitt? Where's the wash mitt? The wash mitt, I think. So yeah, drop these off for Lou. You can have those. Oh, actually, do you want the wheel sockets? I can't remember now. I'll figure it out and I'll come back to you. It was these that he wanted, so I'm gonna go drop them off now. So I've just dropped them off and I was like 50-50, is this the right house? And then I seen Lou's bright red FN2 in the driveway. So obviously it was. But yeah, so he's got a full spanner set, a 3/8 ratchet and socket set. It's got like extensions and like a UJ in it, and it's a nice set to be fair. I've got the same set. It's like a 40-piece set, I think. Or is it a 20-piece set? I think they did 1/4 inch as a 38-piece. Anyway, he's got a 3-piece wheel socket set and a wash mitt, so it's really cool, and we'll be able to see them on his vlogs and stuff. So plus for Lou, plus for me, because it helps me sort of, you know, give a bit more exposure to Silverline, and I think as the brand ambassador, that's probably what it's about. I think it's just cool as well that I can help other people, you know, in like, I think for me, if you come up and you help others come up around you, helps everybody benefit, you know, and hopefully in turn things like that will transpire. Like Lou sorted me out previously, like very recently, and with the steering wheel and pedal set up as well for Gran Turismo. And so me and Lou, I think we've got this really good like relationship where we just, you know, we're just helping each other out, and whatever it is that we can do for each other we do. And I think that's what the car community should be about.
The next day.
So you know when you're driving home and your car starts scraping over speed bumps and also making a lot more noise than normal? See how that happened. So I've got back from dropping the tools off to F and Lou, and unfortunately, as you've seen, the exhaust snapped off my car. Now it's been blowing for a very long time, and the MOT is actually due on this car, and because the MOT is due and because I had a blown exhaust, I've already booked it in to go and get a stainless steel exhaust fitted. So the next video is going to be me getting a stainless steel B-pipe made, because it's already got a rear silencer on this. It's like a spoon N1 looking rear silencer. It was actually made by a custom exhaust shop, miles cheaper, would highly recommend a custom exhaust shop. And the reason I'm getting this exhaust and I'm not doing it myself is because a stainless steel B-pipe for this particular car is about 130-140 pounds. Plus, you know, me messing about and trying to fit it on my driveway, jacking the car up, etc. Whereas the place I'm going to take it, Keltec exhausts, cannot recommend them highly enough. They did the 3-inch straight through exhaust on the EG Civic, on the H22 swapped EG, and they absolutely nailed it. Pie cuts, everything, really good exhaust. Now it was about 350 quid for that particular car because of the size of the exhaust and what they had to do to get it to work and get it to fit. You know, a 3-inch exhaust on a Civic's quite a big diameter exhaust. But what I'm doing on this particular car is I'm getting the a 2.25 mandrel bent B pipe made up, so it bolts straight up to the rear silencer, straight up to the cat, keeping the cat. I just want it to sound a little bit better, obviously a lot quieter than what it currently does, and they're going to charge me about £170. So if you ask me, 140 quid and then the DIY fitment, it's £30 difference there versus getting one that's not being as cheaply made. It's been handcrafted, very good welding done to it, you know, very good TIG welding rather than MIG on stainless steel pipe, which is normally what the B pipes, what you buy off eBay, are normally, you know, that's normally how they're built. So much better build quality, and you're supporting a local business as well. So that is the move. B pipe coming soon, stainless steel exhaust, sound coming soon as well, to give you maybe not a before, but certainly an after, because this thing sounds absolutely horrific now. But yeah, so that is the next video probably on the channel. So if you got this far, thank you very much for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, help us out with watching a few videos to cover the cost of this exhaust, and check out the thanks button below as well if you want to support the channel. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.